What is going on, beautiful and amazing people of the internet? It is your boy, Mr. Manhattan, and I'm back at it again. So today I decided to ride through the snowstorm, and here's some highlights. Right now, we're in Father Duffy Square. The northern triangle of Times Square runs from 47th Street to 45th Street in Manhattan. It was officially named in 1939 to honor Father Francis Patrick Duffy, a decorated World War I chaplain for the fighting 69th Infantry. It features a 1937 bronze statue of Duffy by Charles Keck, a 1959 statue of George M. Cohen, and the iconic red glasses tickets booth steps.
Oh, shit. I'm not even mad. Holy shit.
Columbus Circle is a major traffic circle and a bustling landmark in Manhattan, located at the intersection of Broadway, Central Park West, 8th Avenue, and 59th Street. Completed in 1905 and named after the 1892 monument of Christopher Columbus at its center, it serves as the southwest gate to Central Park and a focal point for shopping, dining, and transportation. The USS Maine National Monument, located at the southwestern entrance of New York City's Central Park, was dedicated on Memorial Day 1913. It honors the 260-plus sailors killed when the battleship USS Maine exploded in Havana Harbor on February 15, 1898, the catalyst for the Spanish-American War. Pilgrim Hill, located on the east side of Central Park between 72nd and 73rd Street, is named for the bronze statue of an idealized Puritan settler installed there in 1885. Commissioned by the New England Society to commemorate the 1620 landing at Plymouth Rock, the statue was designed by John Quincy Adams Ward. It is now famous for its spring cherry blossoms and winter sleigh. Bethesda Fountain, located in the heart of Central Park's terrace, was designed by Emma Stebbins and unveiled in 1873 to commemorate the 1842 opening of the Croton Aqueduct. which brought fresh water to NYC, featuring the Angel of the Waters sculpture. It was the first major public art commission for a woman in New York City. The Hans Christian Andersen Monument in New York City's Central Park is located near Conservatory Water at 74th Street. It was unveiled on September 18, 1956 to celebrate the author's 150th birthday. It features a Bron Anderson seated on a granite bench reading The Ugly Duckling to a Duckling. The Conservatory Water is located between 72nd and 75th Street in Central Park. It was designed in the 1860s as a formal reflecting pool for a never-built glass conservatory. It transformed into a popular model boat pond by the 1870s. The Curbs Boathouse added in 1954. It is famous for its model sailboat sailing, featured in the Stuart Little movie. I hit record and I got interrupted by this little guy here who has on little booties, enjoying the snow with his owner. The Great Lawn, a 55-acre oval-shaped green space in the heart of Central Park, goes from 79th to 85th Street. Was created in 1937 by filling in the abandoned 1842 Croton Receiving Reservoir with debris from Rockefeller Center and subway construction. It replaced a Desperation-era Hooverville shantytown and is now famous for concerts and baseball. Restored in the 1990s after severe degradation. Alright guys, this is going to wrap it up for me. This is your boy Mr. Manhattan saying thanks for watching. I hope you had a great New Year's. I hope you enjoyed your snow day. And until the next video, peace.